Right, welcome back to the Anarchy Garage, and today we are going out with go-kart number 1 and number 2 on the road for a drive today. So go-kart number 2 has 2 GX 160s in it, and then go-kart number 1 has the GSXR 600 in it. So out today with Dean, let's go for a drive.
Right, so out today with Dean. Go-kart number 1 and 2 together for the first time. So I'm going to be following Dean around because he knows his way around here. But yeah, getting these two out is badass. This is what I always wanted. It wasn't about having one on the road, because one's fun, two's a race. Yeah, so cool to actually have 2 of these out now. And Dean's done an amazing job on his go-kart. Still working the bugs out on Anarchy kart number 1 though, but Dean's got his pretty much sussed now. To be honest, that Gixxer does sound amazing. Bumpy. This is definitely what it's all about right here though. 2 road legal go-karts together for the first time. He looks like he's all seized up.
I've got no power when I'm going up that main road.
Right, okay.
And why is it struggling? Both engines are running. It's just a handbrake lock, didn't I? I've cooked my disc.
Can you turn around down there? Yeah.
I think I took the furthest entrance into the lay-by.
Yeah, I did that as well, yeah.
Oh, I want to race one of those.
Hey buddy, you alright? Yeah. Filming.
Where's the panel going?
That's alright, you're not the first one.
That's quite nice.
Thank you.
I just said to him, without upsetting him, I went, well, that's going to go a bit quicker, isn't it?
Yeah. It does.
Yeah.
I do quite like that. When I saw it, I was like, what the?
That's why I stood there. I was like, does he want a word?
But before I go, I definitely want to hear this one, because I bet that sounds nice. That
Yeah,
if
cool.
that's all right. Really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Hopefully you both have a nice day. Don't get too chilly. That's definitely summer weather stuff.
You know what I mean?
Got a lot of finessing to get done, haven't we? But we do that, don't we?
What engine's that?
Gixxer 600.
Mate, and it's Broadly.
Yeah.
You're a nutcase. Did you see the back end coming out? I was like, come on, just rip!
Never ceases to amaze you. The faster you poke it, the more it wants. Because this gains speed so fast, it's getting the brakes to keep up with it. Even though it's managing with the weight, the stopping distance is vastly gained. And all you've got to do is rev it and it spins. You've got to really have your wits about you with this.
Then from Peterborough, an amazing day out with go-kart number 2 built by Dean, and it was so cool of him to show us around and actually have 2 of these go-karts on the road for the very first time. And if you want to have your own road legal go-kart, go back through the episodes because we've already done these as a how to build your own on our channel. But for now, thanks for watching the Anarchy Garage. See you next time.